No one goes through life unscathed. We're all faced with circumstances that seem overwhelming. But when something happens that truly changes your life and turns your whole world upside down, how do you deal with that? Like most workplaces, HPFY is a collection of interesting people who bring much life experience to the table. One person in particular is Kevin Cleary, one of our staff writers. Kevin has a certain sparkle that you can pick up no matter what he's writing about. He's very warm, friendly, and lighthearted. His inviting smile matches his writing style. What you may not know about Kevin is that he was severely injured 17 years ago while with his 5-year-old son on a trampoline. Just a dad and his little boy playing in the backyard on a beautiful day in April of 2006. Kevin did a backflip and landed on his forehead right in the middle of the trampoline. The impact broke his neck and left him paralyzed from the shoulders down.
I'm going to assume I knew, because like I said, I can remember the crack.
You can still hear the crack, you said.
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow.
Robin sent Ryan, I think, over to my neighbor's yard. And then we dealt with everything there and got transported to Danbury Hospital. I don't know how, I think the surgery was the next day. My memory serves, which doesn't. But I can remember the MRI. Yeah, and then after that, just being in ICU.
How long were you in ICU?
Let's see, I got hurt April 17th until beginning of May.
Wow.
The very beginning of May. And then we transferred to the hospital for special care up in New Britain.
How does anyone with an injury this severe continue to smile, work, and enjoy life? Kevin has gone through so much, and while every day is challenging, it doesn't stop him from smiling.
Most of my movement in my arms is through from my shoulders.
I was going to ask you
Because
that.
it's basically from like here up, I have sensation. Down below, not so much.
This series is about Kevin, a remarkable and inspiring man who faces unimaginable challenges with a smile daily. In his own words, we'll explore the many aspects of his life, relationships, daily living, thoughts, and everything that makes Kevin, Kevin.
You know myself and my friends, we were never going to be anything but amusing.